an egg cooker to check out, so let's open it up.
So here's the unit and all the pieces. Okay, the first thing it says you're supposed to fill it up with water, and I'm going to pour the water in this area. Keep the product in a horizontal state. Put the steaming tray on, put the eggs on, put the lid on, and then we're going to choose what we want. So we're going to go to 100, which this only goes to 80. So I'm just going to fill it all the way up to the top. Okay. I'm going to try.
Here's the on-off button. Okay, there's the on button. Okay, so 1 to 3 eggs, this is the time that you set. So if I want soft, I'm gonna put it on for 7 minutes, medium, 10, hard, 12, and then omelet, 6 minutes. So I have 2 eggs. So I'm gonna go with the first one, I'm gonna do 7 minutes. You can see it's already starting to steam up in there. We'll let it go.
Okay, the timer's gone off. So now these are the soft eggs. So let's try them. So those are the soft ones. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and we'll do the medium ones.
So now we're doing medium.
Okay, here's the medium one. We'll take those out. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the hard-boiled egg setting. So I'll do 2 more there. And for that one, I need to go up to 12 minutes. So I'll do 12 minutes for that one. Hard-boiled egg, I'll take those out. And then the last thing I'm going to do is it has an omelet setting here. So I'm going to do the omelet next.
Okay, now we'll do the omelet.
I would go longer. So that was 6 minutes. Depends on how thick you like it, but that's still pretty runny to me. So I would probably go another 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to put it back on. A little bit more water to it. And then I'm going to put it back on. So I had it on for 6 minutes. I think I'll go another 4. So here's my 3 eggs. I have soft, medium, and hard boiled. Let's open them up and see what they look like. This would be great if you're making like ramen or like an egg Benedict. So soft boiled is kind of hard to do if you're just timing it like, you know, on a stove top or something. So that is a beautiful consistency for the soft boil. So let's try the medium. Okay, so here's the medium. You can see it's just a tiny bit light in the middle there, so not completely hard boiled. Excellent. Now let's try the hard boiled. There we go. And that is done all the way through. That's like a beautiful hard boiled egg you could use for like deviled eggs. Perfect. So there's your soft, your medium, and your hard boiled. And it's done to perfection. You just simply put it in, dial it in, and it's done. So let's check out the omelet. Okay, I went for an extra 4 minutes on the omelet, and now I think that's good. So probably altogether, I believe that was about 10 minutes altogether. But you can imagine, add a little bit of cheese to that, some salt and pepper, and that's perfect. So that was about 10 minutes. The other feature this has is you can poach eggs. So I did the omelet, I did the soft, the medium, and the hard-boiled egg. So if you don't have access to, stove or, something to make this, I think this would be a great solution. College dorms or just a limited kitchen availability, no matter what skill you are with cooking, you can make perfect eggs every time. Check it out.